Welcome to English Quizler. Ready to test your real English level? In today's mixed grammar quiz, every question gets harder. Keep track of your score, and let's see how far you can go. Don't forget to subscribe to us. Good luck!
Their completion of the project was unexpected. Everyone must bring their own pen. It was an extremely gripping movie. Past tense of cling is clung. The simple future of deliver is will deliver. Novice most nearly means beginner. Opposite of generous is stingy. She excels at languages. They decided to bring up the topic later. To turn a blind eye means ignore. He is an MBA graduate. "50 miles is a long walk." Correct answer, postponing. You should see a specialist. The report will be finished. She had her car serviced last week. A noticeable improvement was seen. The poet whose book I read won a prize. If I had better time management, I'd finish earlier. He said he might join tomorrow. Vindicate most nearly means justify. Once the rain stopped, we continued. It's crucial that he be present. Scarcely had the train left when it started to snow. Please give me some sugar. There are several issues to resolve. This design is sleeker than the previous one. She is the most engaging speaker in the panel. You used the printer, didn't you? Please forward the file to the client.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.